Oh my goodness, I think we give you some of the best houses in East Neuk, and this is no exception. This is Los Sonas in Abercrombie. This is a gorgeous 5-bedroom, 2-reception, detached property. It's even got a self-contained garden house at the side as well, which is a great revenue generator, or somewhere if anybody wants to live, you know, in the grounds and have their own space. And it's a 1-bedroom self-contained with a kitchen and a sitting area, and it's got its own shower room as well. And I'm going to let Perry take you round here and show you all about it just now. So over to you, Perry.
Thank you, Jim. So we're just going to head into the garden house just now. This is beautiful. So as you can see, that's it from the outside. Isn't it lovely? And again, just to show you that little bit of garden space you've got as well, and their gorgeous countryside views. So we're going to head in, and this is a really fantastic opportunity to have an additional space. So as you can come in, you can see it's lovely and bright, really modern, open plan living down here. So that's a quick glance at this, but I'm going to take you upstairs firstly. So we head upstairs, you go straight into the master bedroom, which is a really lovely space. It's nice and bright, you've got great views as well, lovely windows, nice and airy. Isn't that lovely? It's a great space, eh? And you can see just all that light that's coming in from all of these beautiful windows. Really spacious, isn't it? And as I say, the views over the countryside are really nice. Lovely space. Peaceful as well, overlooking the garden. This is a bonus with it. As well as the room, you also have an ensuite WC. This is a great addition, I feel. Isn't that smashing? So you've got your inset WC, you've got your floating vanity. Love the tiles. It's a great finish, isn't it? Now we're going to head back downstairs. You can just see how spacious it is. Just a light that's coming through the whole property. Isn't that lovely? It's a really nice sized kitchen area. You've got your open plan lounge and seating area. Love the fireplace. So you've got this media wall, which I think is wonderful. So you've got your television, obviously, your music, your fire. Nice and cosy for the winter days. But it's a nice sized room, isn't it? And you've got this great kitchen. So you've got a lot of integrated appliances with the kitchen as well, which is a bonus. So you've got your oven, you've got your hob, you've got your extractor above that, you've got your washing machine, you've got your dishwasher, and you've got a fridge. So it really does offer a lot, doesn't it? Nice breakfasting area as well. You're entertaining, you've come in from nice walks. Your family maybe are staying here. You've got nice views over the front garden as well, nice screening. Isn't that lovely? And there's an additional bonus in here. We have the full shower room as well. So that's really handy to have the facilities upstairs as well. So you've got your inset WC again, you've got your sink, you've got your shower, you've got your rainfall shower head, your thermostatic controls as well. But isn't that lovely? It's just such a great space. Just a real nice addition, isn't it, for your family? And that's it from me. And I'm going to pass you back to Jim. Over to you, Jim. Thanks very much. Take care.
Okay, so here we are back here. And if that's anything to go by in the finishing standard, this is gorgeous. Wait till you see out the back. And the views are absolutely to die for. It's going to blow you away. This is on a really sizable plot as well, and it is finished to an immaculate standard, as I said before. Let me take you on the tour around the property. Give you a quick heads up about where things are. Collinsborough's that way. You go down that road a mile and you're in St Monans. You're across there as well, down that road as well, and off to the right hand side, and you're into Elie, which is 3 miles away. You can get back along into Pittenweem and on to Anstruther as well. But this is the property itself. I'll pull back the camera a bit because it's a massive plot. It goes all the way from the bottom corner there, all the way around there. And as you can see, this is the property itself. And you can see 3 cars over there, another one over here. So there's plenty of space for off-street parking in here with the driveway, and plenty of space still left. That, as I said, is Perry's just taking you around the garden house itself. And then you've got the side garden, which goes with that garden house as well. But this is all part of the actual title of the property as well. So as I said, the current owners use this as an Airbnb, and you know, they generate a bit of money out of that as well, which is perfect. So if you've got somebody that's a remote worker from home, that could be an ideal opportunity to add an additional income stream to you. Access to the side, access to the other side as well, but we're going to go in the front door and we'll show you round the property. Now, when we go in, the first thing you're going to see here is the finish. The oak flooring all the way through, the skirtings and facings and the actual doors all the way through as well, and just the quality and the finish in here. We're going to pop upstairs first. You can even see that in the balustrade as we go up. The polished metal. And we're going to go upstairs and we're going to look at this first. So all the way throughout you'll see the finish is absolutely gorgeous inside. Now the first thing I noticed, the 5-piece bathroom. Yep, 5-piece. You've got the WC, you've got the bidet, you've got the sink, you've got that shower enclosure as well. Again, the oak flooring and the double spa bath in here. Brilliant, isn't it? Now off to my right hand side is one of the first bedrooms. The great thing I like about this, it's got a massive wall-to-wall wardrobe in there, triple mirror wardrobe. And then that overlooks to the front, the double windows, and then a big bedroom, big double bedroom. Brilliant. Another bedroom, this has got an ensuite shower room actually in it, but again, built-in wardrobes in here, built-in drawer units as well. And again, following this theme of the finish to the high standard. And your shower room. So electric shower in here, an enclosure. And this beautiful finished bedroom. And overlooking towards the side now, you can just see the edge of that pod. There's a wee pod out there as well, a wee garden pod to sit in. Just if it's a bit more blustery, you can sit in there and just enjoy yourself. And then there's plenty of storage all the way throughout here. There's a big walk-in storage cupboard in here. Now this, to me, is another sitting room, but I class it as a 5th bedroom. Why would you not want this as a bedroom? But you would want a sitting room, but you've got a sitting room downstairs as well. And I think that's the difference. So you've got it here, so as we go through, you can see this big room, currently utilised as a sitting room, all the way throughout here. But you've probably noticed by now that balcony with these views is absolutely gorgeous. So as we go in, immediately, just let me take stock of this. I could just sit here forever. Look at this countryside view, uninterrupted all the way around there. You can just zoom in. I could see the main aisle. That's how I see it from here, like that. And then it goes over to St Monans, and you can see there as well. And then in the distance over here, you've got Elie over there. Now 1 mile, as I said, down the road towards St Monans, to all the amenities and facilities, and we'll talk about that towards the end. And as we come back in, we'll have a wee look inside here again, as you can see. So big room, really tempted to use it as a main bedroom, especially if you're waking up to that in the morning, when you see that, and have a wee cup of coffee in the morning. But then this could be a sitting room quite comfortably, couldn't it? So as we go down, we've got another sitting room downstairs. This is what I said, you know, you've got a sitting room downstairs, so easily you could repurpose that for a bedroom. But you've got this big, huge sitting room downstairs. Again, the oak floor and that beautiful fireplace as you go across to there. In here. That's gorgeous, by the way. There's a wee bit of history behind that. If you come to view it, ask us about it, and we'll tell you something to do with Balmoral. Yes, it is the castle. And then off to the side there, you've got a garden room, which is currently utilised as a home office. So we've got a garden room in there as well, but we'll get access in through the kitchen. So we'll look at that in a minute. But I'll give you a final last look as we walk out here, and we'll show you the downstairs. Okay, so double doors going through, and then we just walk straight over to your shower room. Beautiful shower room with this Carnadine floor effect in here. Beautiful tiling all the way throughout. And then off into the first of the double bedrooms downstairs. So good sized double bedroom down here. You can see plenty of space for furniture, and your drawer units and your wardrobe. The great thing is you've got double patio doors going out there to a seating area in the morning. Now, that is going to be where the sun is teeming in first thing in the morning. So that's why the seating's there. But the great thing is the whole garden's set up to have different areas of seating during the day to take advantage of the sun. And it's nice and secluded as well, and nice and private. That's what I like about it. And then the other double bedroom downstairs. Again, beautifully finished. Now the great thing again I like about this is you've got, if you're wanting somebody that's got one level living, you've got a shower room down here, you've got bedrooms down here, you've also got your sitting room down here as well, and you have a dining kitchen down here. So first of all, as I walk in, massive dining kitchen. I kind of think it's almost the same size as my one bedroom flat I first bought, and this is only the kitchen. But again, these oak floors all the way throughout. This beautiful quartz worktop finish in here. And you've got your range cooker over here, you've got your dishwasher over there, you've got your sink over there, and as we follow around towards space for a freestanding American style fridge freezer, your laundry's off into the rear there as well. And then the icing on the cake is you've got this beautiful log burner fireplace. And that slate tile. Imagine that on a winter's night, and you've got friends and family. I mean, I never classed this as a reception room, but I tell you what, it really is, isn't it? This is a great room for entertaining friends. And that's got 6 seats just now, but I think you could comfortably fit probably about 10, maybe even a push 12 seats in there easily. Now, just round that corner, actually, I just forgot to mention, there's a walk-in larder there as well. Okay, so this is the garden room, as I'd said before when we were in the sitting room. So garden room, which is currently utilised as a home office area and a seating area, we snug. You've got a sliding patio door going out to that raised patio to the side garden, but we'll show you that when we get round. And then you've got this laundry room. So you've got your floor standing boiler, space for your washing machine. You probably easily you'll get a tumble dryer in here somewhere, and you've got your sink there as well. So if you've got pets, bring them in here first. Now, what I love about this bit in the back garden, or this, side garden, I would say. This is the side garden out here. And as we come round, see all the high hedging? It protects it all from the elements. Sun's beating down, we're 1 o'clock, so South's just about there. So towards the afternoon and late evening, it's going to be beautiful here. You've got that pod as well to sit in. If it's a wee bit more blustery or a wee bit more drizzly, then you can sit in that pod. You can have your barbecue out here as well, just going away, and a perfect opportunity. I mean, this garden's beautiful. And in the distance, you can just see over there, you've got the garden house that we talked about in the beginning, and Perry took you on that tour. And then there's that raised patio area for seating off the garden room itself in the house. But nice and secluded. So you can see comfortably why it's got, seating area towards the afternoon, seating area probably there in the morning, and then towards the evening, you're over here as well. Let me take you on this wee area in the secret garden. So through this gate to finish off. Just under the balcony of what we would class as the 5th bedroom or the sitting room upstairs. You've got this swing chair, you've got this beautiful seating area. And the paving is just immaculate all the way throughout. And then this has got uninterrupted views again over the countryside, over here. Then up into that patio area off that double bedroom downstairs. It was showing you with the patio doors going out. And then there's the gate to the side that we came in at the beginning. Plenty of storage in these sheds. Again, uninterrupted views over the countryside there towards St Monans area. What a beautiful place. Now, you know where I'm going to be when I finish off? Right there. and I'm going to take a seat and tell you about the area for anybody that doesn't know. But you've probably got your bearings by what I've just told you, so let me just recap. Okay, so we're 1 mile outside St Monans, you've seen that. Now, what has St Monans got to offer for anybody that doesn't know? You've got the harbour, you've got the Fife Coastal Path, you've got the cafes, bistros and restaurants, you've got the East Pier Smokehouse at one side of the harbour, you've got the Craig Miller restaurant at the other side of the harbour, in the middle you've got the guys at the Giddy Gannet, and then up the road, just down there as well, you've got the Premier convenience store, hairdressers next door, and you've got the Walking Spice, Millie's and Takeaway at the top of the road itself. Bus stops down at the bottom of this road, a mile down, so easy access walking down the path there, and you can get straight along to the East Nook. Elie, 3 miles away. If if water sports is your thing, and sailing's your thing, and all the rest of it, and golden sandy beaches, Elie is gorgeous for that. Fantastic golf course as well. Great golf courses around here as well, actually. And then local school and primary school is at St Monans Primary School. Secondary school, Wade Academy, just along the road in Anstruther, a couple of miles along the road. Pittenweem's in between, places for arts and crafts and all the rest of it. The Pittenweem Arts Festival is on every year, and it attracts a huge amount of people. It is a very, very sought after and popular area, especially for this, because it's like you're in the countryside. But you're next door to everything, and you've got easy access to everything as well. 12 miles over the hill, you've got access into the university town of St Andrews, the home of golf. So if you're needing access into St Andrews, or you're working at St Andrews, or you're a remote worker, this could be the ideal place for you, because you can just travel to everywhere quite easily. If you're needing to get back into Edinburgh, just along the road in Leven is the main train station, which actually goes a direct connection straight through to Edinburgh Waverley station as well. You've got the park and ride in Cameron Bridge, so you've got the park and ride in Cameron Bridge railway station as well. So you can get, again, you can get easy access into Edinburgh Waverley station as well. What more could you ask for? Welcome to God's country for anybody who hasn't worked that out yet. Don't tell the people in Yorkshire. But it's really here in the East Nook. Okay, there's more details on this post if you click on the link above or below for the photographs and descriptions. If you need to contact us, you can message direct on this post, or you can contact me on 01333 421 774. Until next time, guys, I'm Jim Parker for Fife Properties TV.